The latest leak around the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is turning heads, especially because both the pricing and possible launch timing are starting to surface. Just a moment ago, this was all speculation, but now it feels much more real. Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. Do you think this leak is accurate or just another early rumor? Because what's coming out might actually reshape expectations for compact cameras this year. According to newly surfaced details, the Osmo Pocket 4 could make its debut on April 20th, 2026. That date hasn't been officially locked in by DJI yet, but it's generating serious buzz. The source behind this information is not just a random leak either. It comes from Droniques, an authorized DJI retailer based in Colombia, which has already started pushing the device through active social media campaigns. This kind of early promotion usually signals that something is right around the corner, especially when customers are being invited to access pre-orders through direct messages and WhatsApp. One of the most eye-catching details is the early pricing. The retailer has hinted at a promotional pre-sale price of roughly $500 Colombian pesos, which converts to around $567. This appears to be a limited-time offer tied specifically to early buyers, likely for the Creator Combo Bundle. That version typically includes additional accessories, making it the preferred option for content creators. Interestingly, instead of listing it publicly for purchase, the store is encouraging private inquiries, which add a layer of exclusivity and urgency to the entire rollout. Looking at broader expectations, the standard version of the Pocket 4 is rumored to land somewhere between $499 and $599, while the Creator Combo could range from $649 to $749. If the Colombian listing is accurate, it suggests DJI might be leaning toward a more aggressive pricing approach, potentially aiming to dominate the compact camera segment more decisively than before. Beyond pricing, the rumored specifications are where things start to get even more interesting. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which will be a significant leap in image quality, particularly in low-light scenarios. For vloggers and mobile filmmakers, that alone could be a game changer. On the video side, there are strong indications of either 6K recording support or high frame rate 4K at 120 frames per second, paired with upgraded stabilization that promises smoother and sharper footage overall. Battery life is also expected to improve, with reports pointing toward a capacity of around 1,545 milliamp hours. That should allow longer recording sessions without constant charging interruptions, which is especially useful for travel creators. Design-wise, DJI appears to be refining rather than reinventing, keeping the device compact and lightweight, while introducing a rotatable touchscreen for more flexible framing in both vertical and horizontal shooting modes. Audio integration is another area getting attention, with expected compatibility with the DJI Mic 2 system. This would simplify workflows for creators who need reliable, high-quality sound without complicated setups. Alongside that, the accessory ecosystem is rumored to be more polished, indicating DJI is focusing on the overall user experience, not just the hardware itself. What makes this leak particularly compelling is how the release date surfaced. It wasn't part of an official announcement or press release. Instead, it appeared in a direct reply from the retailer to a customer inquiry, clearly mentioning April 20th along with pricing details. That kind of response from an authorized dealer strongly suggests internal alignment, even if DJI hasn't made anything public yet. Still, until there's official confirmation, both the price and release date remain highly likely, but not fully finalized. When you combine retailer activity, detailed pricing, and consistent spec leaks, it's clear the Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just speculation. It's approaching launch territory, and now it's just a matter of DJI making it official. At the same time, another interesting development is unfolding in the action camera space. Igor Bogdanov recently shared on X that a temporary manager at a major Insta360 store in Shenzhen showcased a mysterious white device known as the Luna. And surprisingly, this reveal has sparked even more curiosity than some of the current hype surrounding 360 cameras. Insta360 has steadily grown into one of the most innovative brands in immersive imaging, and the Luna appears to be another bold step forward. The device was briefly teased during the company's annual meeting, where the CEO offered only a quick glimpse. That short moment was enough to ignite widespread speculation, even though the details were minimal. Later, clearer visuals and additional insights surfaced online, helping shape a more concrete understanding of what this camera might offer. Initially, many believed these features were tied to a potential Pocket 4 Pro variant, but that assumption was later corrected. The confusion spread quickly, but was eventually addressed, and now the focus has shifted toward understanding the Luna as its own product. Shortly after the teaser, a video surfaced from X Drone Studio that looked highly realistic. Another version followed soon after, with improved clarity, showing more usage scenarios. However, in both cases, the camera itself remained intentionally blurred while being handled. This doesn't appear accidental. It seems like a calculated move to demonstrate functionality while keeping the final design hidden. Even with limited visibility, the footage reveals strong capabilities. Portrait shots show impressive depth separation, suggesting a powerful sensor combined with advanced processing. While no clear modular system has been confirmed yet, it's possible that key features are being held back for a larger reveal. Rumored specifications suggest 4K, recording at up to 240 frames per second with 10-bit color, offering smooth slow motion and improved dynamic range. Stabilization can rely on a 3-axis AI-powered gimbal, paired with subject tracking and intelligent editing tools. Battery life is expected to reach around 180 minutes, supported by a 1,500 mAh cell with USB-C charging, along with a rotating touchscreen and optional ND filters. There are also hints of a dual lens system, combining a wide-angle primary camera with a secondary telephoto lens capable of up to 3x true optical zoom. The system may automatically switch lenses based on zoom level, while still allowing manual control. On the processing side, a dual-chip architecture is rumored, where one processor handles imaging while another preprocesses raw data to reduce noise and optimize brightness. A dedicated light sensor could further enhance performance by adjusting processing dynamically based on environmental conditions. Even though the full picture hasn't been revealed yet, everything we've seen so far points toward a device built around advanced imaging, AI-driven enhancements, and professional-grade output. Insta360 is clearly playing this strategically, revealing just enough to build anticipation, while keeping the most impressive features under wraps. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.